The Ottawa Hospital has started construction on a once-in-a-generation project that will reshape the future of healthcare in the Ottawa region, across Canada, and around the world. The Ottawa Hospital's new campus will be one of the most modern, technologically advanced, and accessible healthcare facilities in Canada. With a focus on patient experience, the new campus will help the Ottawa Hospital continue to provide exceptional care and compassion to patients and their families. Here, we will tackle the most complex injuries and illness, train the next generation of healthcare workers, and advance life-changing research, innovation, and academic excellence. Every patient will have their own room with floor-to-ceiling windows and a fully accessible washroom.
One of the most important things we can do for this community is to increase access and capacity for our healthcare system. The new campus development is the starting point to that rebuild and reshape of healthcare for the future. It's not just about building a world-class facility, it's about using that as a catalyst to rebuild healthcare for this community for literally the next 100 years.